Good evening, everyone. Make sure this is working real quick. I haven't used OBS in a couple of days. Yep, looks like everything should be fine. Let me turn the music down just a little bit. There we go. All right. I'm trying something a little bit different tonight. I've actually got 3 targets for streaming. I'm always, every stream is on Twitch. My almost all of my streams are on my secondary YouTube channel, KeepsWorks Dev. But because the nature of this particular stream addresses something that I discovered with my primary YouTube account, I wanted to stream there as well. So I'm hitting all 3 of my channels tonight, which means I'm encoding the video 3 times. And well, I'm encoding it once, but I'm sending it to 3 different targets, and I'm not entirely sure that my internet's going to be happy with my life choices. We'll find out soon, although everything looks like it's going okay. Close this. I want to actually close this. I can't close that? I don't think. Yes, I can. Wow, nothing is working. My computer's mad. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it looks like everything's working as expected. Alright. So today's topic. My streams don't always have a definitive topic. A lot of times it's just software generically, or I'll be playing a game, or I'll be working on the game that I'm building. Tonight, though, 2 nights ago, it came to my attention that there are people out there that, like myself, are avid enjoyers of Minecraft. And they are of the opinion that Minecraft does not contain enough content. And I would agree. I would 100% agree with that. As you can see, I've got Minecraft here. And then MC Edit, which is my Minecraft world editor, which I use in the event of corrupted chunks or something like that, so that I can fix my world without losing it. And then I have MultiMC, which is a client, that lets me build instances of Minecraft any way I want, and that's with mods, without mods. That each one of these has their own storage directory, so they're all separated from each other. This creates isolated instances, which I like a lot. In functionality, it works no different than the Tekkit launcher or the FTB launcher, except it doesn't have a pretty UI like those do. It's a little bit more. This is more for pack makers than it is for people trying to play them, which I do make packs, as you can obviously see here. I've got quite a few going on. We've got my original AutoTech pack and the various revisions that it's had. And then there's my new version, which is built on NeoForge, which is basically Forge. For all intents and purposes, it's Forge. Uh, there was some falling out in the Forge community. Basically, and I'm going to quote Vox CPW here. So that Lex Manos, the guy that runs the Forge repository, is kind of a dick. And I have dealt with Lex personally on a few occasions, and yeah, no, he's a bit of a dick. He's verbally abusive to people that he thinks are below him intellectually. Now, don't get me wrong, Lex is an excellent programmer. He really is. Why is my volume stuck on screen? That's kind of annoying. There we go. So, yeah, CPW's basically just got tired of covering up for him and tired of making excuses for him and went and launched its own project with a few members of the Forge team, and they call it NeoForge, which, if you're not familiar with the phrase, Neo literally means new. So this is what we're going to be using to build a modded Minecraft pack. But what is this? This is Multi-MC. This is a free download. Let me get a new window here. Let me just... Alright, bring this over here. Okay. And we're just going to type in... no, not NeoForge, I'm sorry. We're going to type in Multi-MC. Now you see, this is basically the tool that I'm using. And you can download this. It does not install, it unzips, I believe. Maybe. Yep, I don't actually have it right now, so I will go ahead and just download that. Oh yeah, it's a zip file. So when you open it, it's just this folder. This folder is the full installation. So how do we install it? Oh, I will make a fresh new everything for this. We'll close this. And we're going to do this on my D drive. Okay, and these are my Minecraft servers that I've already built. These are servers that my family plays on. These are not public servers. They could be, but I don't want them to be. And we'll get into why that is a little bit later in the video. Hi, Shrill Duck. That's an interesting anecdote. All right, so let's just make a folder here real quick. We're gonna call it Twitch MC Tutorial. All right, we're just gonna drag that right in there. Done. Okay, so now I have a new instance of Multi-MC. Now I have a shortcut on my desktop here where I just, right-click, drag out to create a shortcut. Obviously, I'm not going to do that right now because it'll break my existing shortcut. But if I run this, you're going to get this. More info. Run anyway. Okay, it wants to install. So we're at least do some basic setup. So we're looking for... What the hell's English? Really? That's not what I wanted it to do. Well, it wouldn't be a thing if it didn't have problems. That's weird. I've actually never seen it do this before. Oh, American English. There we go. Next. Cannot find main class Java chat program will exit. Okay. This is a result of my Java because I have so many different Javas. You will probably not have this problem. I'm doing great, man. A user on one of my YouTube channels said that a couple days ago that Minecraft servers that are modded are incredibly expensive and are not very accessible for people. And I decided then that I would do a live stream to prove them wrong. Modded Minecraft servers are very easy to build. Modded clients are easy to build. They don't have to be inaccessible, and they don't have to cost you anything either if it's just for you and some friends. Now, I mean, if you want to run something on like a public server, you know, where you may have several hundreds of users or whatever, that's outside the scope of this video. That is going to have a cost associated with it because your home internet isn't going to take that kind of abuse, and moreover, your ISP probably isn't going to put up with it. So let's pick a Java here. I'm going to take 17. There we go. Okay, so now I have this fresh, brand new multi-MC, and there's nothing going on here. So we'll right-click, we'll create an instance. We're going to set this to, we're going to call it TW Pack 1.20.1. And we're going to say for group Twitch, we're going to set the version to 1.20.1. You don't want to do this one just yet. Maybe it's okay right now, but I don't know. I know 1.20.1 still has a lot of mod support, so that's what we're going to be using here for this. A few mods have definitely updated to 1.20.4, but I don't know that any of the good ones have yet. So we're gonna stay back a little bit. Now, what we'll do is we'll go to right-click this and go to Edit Instance. We're going to install NeoForge. Any of them starred? Nope, none of them are starred builds. So we'll go with the top one for now. See what that does. Okay. And that's it. We're going to play... Oh. Hang tight. I'm going to move this over here. I have to authorize this new multi-MC to use my Microsoft account. So... I believe that's my password. It is not. That is my password. And we're going to accept this. All done. Okay. Okay, we'll close that. And actually close that whole thing. We don't need Chrome anymore right now. And I'll bring this back. Okay. Close this. Now we should be able to start the pack. Now we want to start it. Oh, wait, what we got here? No, it's still really easy. The whole process. But it's because of the way I do it. And actually, I have another video on my YouTube channel which describes how to set up a Pal World server too, since you mentioned that. Are we... Oh, there we go. I love the fox running in a circle. Oh! Terrible. No narrator. Jeez, I keep forgetting that they added that to the new versions of Minecraft. But here you see, NeoForge 47.1.104. This is working. That's it. We have a modded Minecraft, or we have a mod-ready Minecraft already. Let's go get some mods. This is easy. So we're going to right-click this. We're going to go to the Minecraft folder. We're going to the mods folder, and note that it's empty. Okay? No big deal. We're going to minimize this for now. Let me just grab Chrome. New Chrome. And we're going to go to CurseForge. Alright. Pull this over here. We're going to go to mods. Let's grab this one, because JEI is a really common mod. You will find it in almost every mod pack because it tells you how to make things. It also has a cheat mode associated with it, so that you can just give yourself stuff if that's your method of playing. It's fine. We'll go to Files. We're going to go to 1.20.1 because that's our version of Minecraft. And we're going to go to NeoForge. Okay, they don't have any builds for this. We could just do Forge though, because this version of Forge and NeoForge are functionally identical. So we're going to grab this. We're going to download it. Now, when my Chrome downloads things, it asks you where I want to put it. And it does that on purpose, because I want it to do that, because I'm always building packs. So now I can just put JEI in here. Okay. Now we have our first mod. So let's start it back up. I'm actually I'm gonna turn the music off. Because Minecraft has its own music, and it's gonna be a pain in the butt. No, bro, I can still make servers in one click. It's pretty easy. You just have to know where to look. And see, I got 3 mods loaded. Just enough items. There it is. This works. Let's make a quick world. Go to creative mode, and we'll just create. And there we go. Look, NEI is all installed. Or JEI. I'm sorry, it's not called NEI anymore. The original version of that mod was called NEI, or Not Enough Items, written by Chicken Bones. Genius programmer she is. excellent use of ASM transforms. Jesus, this is really sensitive. I got my mouse sensitivity turned way up from playing Helldivers. Alright. So there we go. That's it. It's that easy. Now, from here, you just get more mods, right? And it's a little beyond the scope of this video to show you what mods you should be getting, because that's really a matter of taste, right? Like, I tend to build technical packs, so if I want to, when I'm building a pack, I'm going to have things like applied energistics, possibly refined storage, but usually one or the other, not both. I'm going to do iron chests and iron backpacks, iron jetpacks. I want power mods, so I've got power, I've got thermal, like thermal expansion, thermal foundation, COFH core, uh, all the mods that associate with that. Again, it's beyond the scope for me to show you how to that, like how to build a good pack, like with direction and all of that. My purpose here is to show you how to set it up. Now, I've been streaming for less than 20 minutes. And I've already got a client modded and ready to go, and I can just keep dumping mods into this thing. Like, let's just apply energistics. Files. 1.20.1. Neoforge. Download. And since Chrome remembers the last place I downloaded something to, it'll just stick it right next to that one. There it is. It just popped up. Four mods loaded. Applied energistics. There it is. I'm sorry. I'm being a terrible streamer, and I'm ignoring chat like a butthole. I got a whole bunch of people in one of my YouTube chats, and I didn't even notice because it's tiny and in the corner of my screen. Let me see who you are. I don't know who's being mean to you. It might have been me. I do that sometimes. Go to channel. Oop. Sorry, I'll move you over here. Uh, I don't know. I don't know who you are. I am not 50. I am 41. Stop it. All right. So anyway, that's the gist of how to create a modded client. It's very simple. It's very easy. The tools are free, easy to get, download. You don't even have to install it. You just open the damn thing and it works. The more complicated part, and it's the part that people tend to struggle with, is the bit where you make the server. So let's make another folder here. All right, we're going to go into here. I have this folder open twice. Okay, let's do that. All right, let me just grab Chrome again. All right, so we go to this website right here. This is Neoforged or neoforged.net. I'll just put this right in chat here. Hello, first time chatter in Twitch. All right, so we have the installer, and then we have this. I believe this is the thing we want. I haven't actually tried this yet, but assuming that it still works the same way Forge did, we're going to put it right here in our main directory. This is going to install the wrong thing. Yeah, I want this one. This is Forge 1.20.147. Is this right? See, it's missing numbers here. I don't know. I think this is 1.20.4. Oh, it is. It says right here. All right, so we want this one. For 1.20.1, we're going to just delete this. I won't stop. Grab that one. We're going to copy this UR, or this path. Open this up. We're going to install server. It's going to complain about the directory, right? That's good. You wanted to do that. So now we'll go to the place where you're going to install the server, which is on my D drive. That's my CD-ROM. MC tutorial, Twitch MC server. Select and proceed. Hello, hello, all the new people coming. Why can't you donate? That is a great question. I am super thrilled that is your first thought coming into my chat. I am very grateful, but it's because none of my channels are monetized. No one likes me enough. It's okay, we'll get there. Successfully downloaded. Okay. So now we go into here. We have this. I'm not entirely sure about the setup, but let's just. This is going to die the first time it runs. Yep. Usually. Let me just see what it's doing real quick. Yeah, I kind of figured out what was going to happen. Alright, new Forge. Args text. Well, first of all, I want no GUI on the end of that. But that's something irrelevant. It does not appear to have downloaded the entire thing, which is kind of annoying. Let's just run it one more time. Install server. Not there. Come on. I broke it because I have special networking rules. I have special networking rules because my mother-in-law does dumb things with her tablet, and I'm deathly afraid of getting ransomware on my computer. So I've got things isolated in weird ways, and whenever you click the network buttons, it breaks stuff. So we'll go here, this PC, D drive, okay. And then MC tutorial, MC server, select, and proceed. What do we got? Successfully downloading Forge. Okay. But where did it install it though? This is not acting 100% correctly. Yeah, there's supposed to be a bin directory here. As well as some other things. And I can show you that right here. If I go to my D drive. This is what an installation should look like. And as you can see, this is definitely short some data. I'm not entirely certain why that happened. It shouldn't have happened. I've never had it do that before. It's possible that something's broken on the NeoForge side. As I said, NeoForge is brand new. They might still be working some kinks out. So what we'll do, files.minecraftforge.net, and I'm just going to grab the 1.20.1 version of that. One day, Lex will get rid of this stupid add fly link thing. I say that, but he probably won't. Alright, we'll just run that. We don't need this anymore. Good here. Alright, I'm going to go into this folder. I'm going to delete all of this until I work out what's wrong with that. So I downloaded forge.23. Double click it. Same process. Install server. Same directory. Wrong thing. Those are my servers for my family. Twitch MC server. Open. Okay. If this also breaks, I'm going to shit a brick. It also did not act correctly. Okay, I'm missing something. Which is weird. I literally did this a month ago. And I didn't have any of this happen. Oh. I know what's happening. Yeah, occurred during... Okay. This is a me problem. You won't likely come across this. What this is because, again, I have so many different versions of Java installed, and the wrong one is in path. So, a second to just fix that real quick. I have to juggle my Javas all the time because working in a Java IDE, I'm constantly changing things. And one project requires Java 1.7. One project I recently closed required Java 1.6, which is, I don't know, like 20-some years old. That's not on this computer, though. File Explorer. We're going to go into here, here, and into the same run.bat file, right? I actually have to specify the full path to the Java I want to use. Oh, I need that. And then in the other, we're going to replace Java with that. Now when I run it, okay. Now it complains because, and actually I want to do this slightly differently. We're going to delete this one more time because now I know what's broken. And we're going to redo this with NeoForge. That way it matches the client. It shouldn't really matter, again, but for the sake of consistency and versioning. and to prevent the potential for it to blow up later. Come on. My computer is doing so much, this poor thing. I'm beating it up. Okay. In here. Edit Notepad++. Alright. We just put the full path in quotes to the Java executable. Again, I'm using JDK 1702. You probably won't find this version. It's a little bit older, but as long as it's JDK 17 something, it'll be fine. And we'll just run this. All right, and it's going to crash. And the very first thing it says is, you need to agree to the EULA. We'll just open this up in Notepad++. Where it says EULA false, just type true. And that basically says that you have read the Mojang EULA as it pertains to Minecraft, and you understand that there are rules associated to running public servers, and you must abide by them. A la no selling ranks, no selling unfair advantages to other players, that kind of stuff. And if you have not read the EULA, I highly recommend you go to the website and do that. It's a little bit of legal jargon, but they do a pretty good job of dumbing it down so that it's easily digestible. Here we go. As it begins building the rest of the installation. So now we're going to come over to this folder, right? We're going to go back into the tutorial folder, into the multi-MC instances. This is the pack we were just building in multi-MC. Here's the mods folder. Here's the 2 mods we downloaded before. I'm going to go into this folder, and I want to copy both of them from one to the other. JEI you should copy to the server, but not all mods are needed on the server. Like if you install a minimap mod in the client, the server doesn't care about a minimap because the server doesn't render anything. It doesn't do art. It just does data. So not everything needs to be moved. Apple Skin is another mod. Client side only. You are not. You're just the only one in YouTube chat. I also have my... I actually am streaming to 2 different YouTube channels and to my Twitch channel. Alright, so now we do... Oh, that's annoying. Okay, we're going to close that. That kills the server. Okay. Now we're going to go back to here. We're going to go into the run.bat. And once again, I'm going to add right at the end here, no GUI. Okay, close that. Now when I run it, I won't get that Java thing here. It'll just run on the console. Done. Yeah, I actually started out streaming only on Twitch. And I saw a few other people worked out how to do RTMP to YouTube as well. So I looked around and I found the plugin that they're using. It's free. So I installed it in OBS. And now I stream. Normally I stream just to my Twitch channel and to my development channel here on YouTube, which is KeepsWorks Dev. This particular day, I'm streaming to both of my YouTube channels because the issue I'm addressing came up on my primary channel, and I want to make sure that the information is available there too. All right, so now the server is running with the 2 mods installed that the client has. So now I'm going to go, all right, I can't use that one. I have to use multi-MC. We're going to start this client up that we just built. This is a tutorial on how to build a Minecraft server and client for free. And fairly easily. So now if we go to multiplayer, and I do, it sees my LAN world there, but we're going to do we're going to add a server anyway. And it is by default 127.0.0.1. I just broke I forgot my number pad is mapped to my OBS hotkeys. Anyway, this is the default IP address that all things will work on. Because the IP address 127.0.0.1 always references me. It means me to a computer. This computer knows itself as 127.0.0.1 or localhost. My wife's computer knows itself by the same address. Every computer in the world does this. And there it is. So now when I hit play, you can see here that I joined the game. So here I am. I am a client connected to a server I just built, and I did it in I literally did it in 40 minutes. The entire thing done. Now, not really, because there's a lot more mods you'd want to add to a pack to get it up and running, maybe. I'm just going to opt myself real quick here. That way I can use game mode, creative. There. So just so you can see. There you go. 40 minutes, client and server, built, modded with NeoForge. Yeah. Dude, I'm a hardcore gamer. Like, I'm a conservative prick. Most of the time on my primary YouTube channel, like I'm known as that guy who's all Second Amendment, men work, shut your mouth and do your job. But I'm a gamer too. I'm Gen X. I grew up with a Nintendo and an Atari, and I don't think that life should be 100% about work and your nose to the grindstone. Like, you have to have some downtime and some shit you enjoy. And Minecraft is a really great game for that. Because it doesn't involve blood. It doesn't involve violence, really. I mean, you hit creepers with swords. It's all animated stuff, This is real fun right here. This is fun I can have with my whole family, which is why I have family Minecraft servers. My 10-year-old plays, my 7-year-old plays, my wife plays, and I just start one of the servers up and we'll sit here and play Minecraft for hours together as a family. My oldest son, who lives in Canada, can also play with us. So it's a cool way for the whole family to be connected and be doing something together. And it's even better like when the weather's really shitty. We live in the mountains, so sometimes it's whiteout blizzard conditions or hailing or raining so awfully that you don't want to be outside. This is great family time. So it's cool. We're going to disconnect from the server, close the client, and now I'm going to close this. Oh no, we're going to type stop because that's the right way to stop your server. I'm going to close this. And I'm actually going to delete this entire thing because I don't need all of that extra data on my computer. Peace out. Okay. Close that. All right, that makes my life a little bit easier. We'll restart the music now. A different song. There we go. All right. So that's it. That's how you build a Minecraft server and client in 40 minutes. Dunzo. I will leave any searching for mods to your to your own discretion. There are thousands of options. Look, there's literally 500 pages of mods. Like, there's a lot to choose from. So pick your poisons, install stuff. Remember, if you install it in the client, you have to install it in the server unless it is a client-only mod, and it will usually tell you that. And if the server, when you start the server, if it complains about the mod, remove it. It's that easy. Just remove it and restart it. Just remember that, sometimes things there are configuration files which you sometimes will need to tweak, but, again, go tweak them, go play with it, learn. Me sitting here explaining that to you isn't going to teach you anything. Dig into it, break it a couple of times until you figure out how it works. That's how I learned how to program. Alright, I need to stop streaming to one of my channels, I think. Maybe I won't. I want to see something. Be careful, don't step in it. I see you there on YouTube chat. Alright, that's gonna be it though. Tutorial's over. I think I'm gonna go back to playing Helldivers now, or working on my game. I'm not sure, one or the other. Either way, I definitely need more coffee. So, thanks everybody for coming. Means a lot to me. And I will have more content out on both of my channels soon.